If I don't spend all day rendering on my machine and take it to your network and render it really fast, I get to also have an option to win some more credits, thousands of dollars worth of credits. On top of that, you can just show my art and give me some more free PR. That sounds like a good plan, right? All right, guys, quick update. A lot of this is time sensitive for the month of December. We're talking about the render network here. Again, Octane's render network. You can upload your scenes from Blender, not the actual scene. Well, you need to make a Orbx file, which is very easy to do. You can send it to the render network and you can render out unlimited multiple GPUs connected. It's black magic happens on the back end of things. But anyways, you want to try it for free. I've got a link right here. You can sign up with this link. If you guys go to this website right here, I'll have the link down in the video. You guys can basically try it out for free to try. You're going to get up to 30 credits, free credits, enough for 300 frames or 30 seconds of an animation, depending on your project. Again, it's not just for Blender, but all of these other softwares too. The main thing I'm here to tell you guys about today is one, if you already do know and use the render network, there is another easy way to download your files. If you come over to here, there is a render network downloader, and this thing is really cool. I used it. I've been using it for a while now. We've got it for Windows, Linux, and Mac here. Let me quickly show you. If you pop it up, here it is. This is the download manager. So the way it works, if I come over to one of my scenes, and for example, if I hit download, and I've already completed all that I've needed to do, I've approved all my frames, I go to download configurations. And then right here, I can go copy links to clipboard. I'll go ahead and click on that. And then if I come back over here, hover my mouse over this. Now, first of all, you need to tell it where you want it to save. Like, so here I can go and save it into my downloads or straight into an actual folder, which I've done. I have a folder there I want it to go directly to. If I hover over this and if I press Control V to paste, it's going to just start downloading. And you're going to see it'll start populating it. Boom, there it goes. They're just starting to download. It's total Matrix happening, right? Horrible representation of the Matrix song, but you can see all the files are downloading simultaneously. It's really cool. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this because I've already downloaded this file before. Now, next subject I wanted to get. Render Foundation is also doing this render in December and win big, okay? Downloading or a daily contest. Whoa, what am I pressing here? Daily contest. There it is. So every day in December, Render Network users can win. Submit your work made using the Render Network for a chance to win. So if you render something and you put it on the network and you render it out, you basically qualify to enter in this competition. What can we win? Check it out. Every day, the top renders will win 1,000. Second place will win 500, and third will win 250 in USDC. Dope, right? Free credit. Need render credit? We can help. Submit a render credit request with a short sentence about your artwork and receive free feel, right? What do they mean by that? That's really cool. So check it out. If you come over here to the top, right here, we can do request credits. If you click on the request credits there, boom, here we are. Email your request amount in USD. And then here, what do you need? Why do you need more credits? Pretty easy. And then submit your request. So that's how you can request more credits. Again, we got some terms over here. You keep the ownership of your artwork by submitting your work. You permit the Render Foundation to use your art in marketing materials. That's it. That sounds like a win-win to me. Like, hey, if I render out, if I don't spend all day rendering on my machine and take it to your network and render it really fast, I get to also have an option to win some more credits, thousands of dollars worth of credits. And then on top of that, you can just show my art and give me some more free PR. That sounds like a good plan, right? And I think, wait, USDC. What does USDC stand for? Hang on, is that dollars or is that more render credits? Ah, here it is. USDC allows you to buy and sell and transfer funds while remaining in a cryptocurrency ecosystem. I've actually done this before. Like when I qualified for my grant, they literally sent me like $4,000 in USDC, and I converted that and downloaded it into my bank, and boom, it was American money. It was money. So I understand that that's actually really cool. I thought it was going to be render credits. But anyways, enough of the jibber jabber. sign up, get your free render credits. I'm hyping up the render credit, this render network foundry, because it's cool, guys. It's super dope. Like, I've been using, I wish I had access to this when I had my little laptop, my 1050 laptop, because my laptop I was using a 1050 Ti. I could work, and I was used to working at that speed in the viewport, but I just hated rendering projects out because it took forever. I would render them overnight. If I still had that laptop, I wouldn't have never changed. I would have just been sending all my renders to the network and saving my money. Like, literally, like I talked about it yesterday. People, I don't have money to buy render credits. I used to say that too, and then I stopped buying Starbucks coffee. And you see this thing here, right here, this is like $1 Japanese coin, right? It's a $1 Japanese coin. I stopped buying Starbucks, which I was spending about $3 to $4 to $5 a day on Starbucks because it's right next to my job. So I started saving that dollar and putting it in this little thing right here. This is $50, $50 right here, $150. I got 2 more over there, so I've got over $250 I've saved just from not buying Starbucks coffee every day. Down below, Blender Octane Skool community and all that extra jibba jabba. I'm out.